Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to install Pixel Launcher on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store on your smartphone. Now from here, just search Google Pixel Launcher. Now from here, just install this app. Now it will take a few seconds to install the app. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, just swipe up and open the app drawer. Now from here, just open the Settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Choose Default Launcher. Now from here, just select Pixel Launcher. Now as you can see, this is how you can install Pixel Launcher on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.